Here we have the Sound One Rock portable Bluetooth speakers, and let's take a look at the box. On the box you can see it's got a rechargeable battery. It's supported by both Android and iOS. It's got a 3.5 stereo input, and it's got Bluetooth connectivity, obviously. Bluetooth speakers. If you take a look at the sides, there's not much here. A little bit of information, and underneath you've got a little more info about the various features that the speaker has. Let's take a look inside the box. On opening the box, we have the speaker right away, and it's actually quite heavy despite its size. It's got a nice metallic finish to it, very shiny, very reflective. Looks quite nice. Let's keep that to the side. Inside the box, underneath, let's see here, right, you've got the warranty card, you've got the charging cable, an AUX cable, and product information for the Bluetooth speakers. Let's keep it aside. Taking a closer look at the speaker itself, you can see that it's got a nice metallic look and feel to it, which gives it a very premium look. It's also quite heavy for its size, which is that's nice. It doesn't feel light, it's quite bulky. Taking a look at the side, you can see that at one point you have the AUX port for your AUX cable. You've got the charging micro USB slot, and you've also got a micro SD card reader here, so you can play music from a micro SD card if you've got that. Other than that, on the flip side, underneath the speaker, you've got the media controls. You've got the volume reduce, increase, you've got the pause, play and receive call button, and you've also got the power button, which is also your detection button for Bluetooth if you want to pair your device to a phone. In terms of charge time, the speakers last a total of 4 hours or on a single charge, which is not bad. And that's about it. Thanks for watching our unboxing of the Sound One Rock portable Bluetooth speakers.